Welcome. If you're tired of seeing old posts, you're not interested in cluttering up your Instagram feed, you're in the right place. Instagram actually lets you filter out posts you've marked as not interested in the past week. And today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings and preferences. Once you're on the home screen, it's time to head over to your profile. You'll find your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to go to your personal page. Now, look for the three-line menu button in the top right corner of your profile. Tap it to open up a list of options. You'll see several choices here, but the one you want is called Your Activity. It's where Instagram keeps track of things like your search history and posts you've interacted with, or in this case, posts you've told Instagram you're not interested in. Tap Your Activity and scroll down until you find the section labeled Not Interested. Once you tap that, you'll see a list of posts you've previously marked as not interested. But here's the key step. Look for the option that says Filter by Date and tap it. Instagram will give you different time frames to choose from, but since we're focusing on the past week, select Past Week. And just like that, Instagram will show you only the posts you've marked as not interested within the last 7 days. This is super handy if you want to review recent posts you didn't enjoy or if you want to clear out your not interested list for a fresh start. It's a quick way to keep your feed feeling more relevant to what you actually want to see. So, to recap, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, select Your Activity, then Not Interested, and finally filter by date and choose Past Week. That's all there is to it. Now you're in control of your Instagram experience, and you can keep your feed as interesting as you want it to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.